the conflict is over, so to speak, immediately, and politics is back center stage. It's not going to go away in a democracy, but that is not the central point. It is the manner in which each side attacked the other. For Rahul Gandhi to take on the foreign minister to say, we virtually said he alerted the Pakistanis by saying, that we were going to target only the terror bases. Now, it's unthinkable that the foreign minister who was navigating a very difficult situation would do that. So was there a misunderstanding? What was the plan? So the leader of the opposition could have picked up the phone and called up the foreign minister, said, look, this video has gone viral. What is the truth behind it? Or if he had to go public, tell us about it. What is all this about? But to call it a crime and to call it damning, which is what the words used were uncalled for, could have been avoided. And then to have the BJP side, take on Rahul Gandhi, Mir Jafar, talk about the Congress leaders being Pakistani agents, anti-national. You can take them on. They're asking questions, legitimate questions, which an opposition party is expected to ask. And if they don't, people will question them why they did not do so. But to call them anti-national, to question their patriotism, again, totally uncalled for. So I think it is the level to which that debate and that wrangling went that is very distasteful. And this was happening even as a major initiative for a world outreach was being planned. And the central theme of that major initiative is that India was going to speak with one voice. Multi-party representatives were going to go to world capitals and speak with one voice about what India's stand against terror was and what India stood for. So, this did not make sense at all.